Hi everyone! Everything you're going to learn in this video has been reviewed and approved by expert mechanics in the shop, so relax, this has a solution. When your Ford starts showing the seatbelts warning message, the first thing your brain thinks is, oh no, someone didn't buckle up. But most of the time, the car is just confused. This warning appears because the system isn't sure whether the seatbelt is fastened, and to be safe, it triggers the alarm. It doesn't mean your seatbelt is broken. Sometimes the issue is with the sensors or how the car reads the seats. Many mechanics find that the problem can be fixed by checking the occupant sensor in the passenger seat. This sensor detects if someone is sitting and triggers the warning if it thinks the seatbelt isn't fastened. Over time, dust, crumbs, or even moisture can cause the sensor to send strange signals. Cleaning around the seat and adjusting the cushion slightly often makes the message disappear like magic. But it's not always that simple. The connectors and wiring under the seat can also cause confusion. If a connector is loose or corroded, the system might think something isn't working and turn on the warning. Checking, cleaning, and securing all the wires usually makes the message go away and restores the system's trust in the sensors. In other cases, the seat weight sensor itself may be damaged. This is more common in higher mileage cars or ones exposed to moisture. When the sensor fails internally, it sends incorrect signals, and the car thinks someone is unbuckled. Replacing this sensor is the definitive solution that many owners report in forums. Sometimes the problem comes from the seatbelt buckle switch. Each seatbelt has a small switch that tells the car if it's fastened. If this switch gets stuck or fails, the car keeps showing the warning. Replacing the switch is usually quick and effective, and many owners celebrate when the annoying chime disappears. Finally, remember that the system is designed to be cautious when something seems uncertain. A heavy bag on the seat, a slightly different seat position, or even normal vibrations can confuse the sensor. That's why it's always a good idea to check for objects on the seat and make sure the sensors have a clear reading.